kombucha turns into a revolution in the beverage world because you can't imagine how beneficial it is for you. This drink is now on trending across the globe. If you drink kombucha tea every day, you will get several benefits, and in this video I will tell you the top benefits of kombucha tea which will surprise you. Kombucha is a fermented tea drink made from green tea or black tea, sugar, yeast and bacteria. Before starting with the benefits, let me introduce the best kombucha brewing kit. If you want to get the best benefits of kombucha and want to save your time and money, this is the best option for you. With this, you can brew kombucha at home very easily. If you want to buy this kombucha brewing kit, find the best buy link in the description. Now starting with the benefits number 5, keeps you hydrated. Drinking kombucha can help you to be hydrated all day long. Consume 2 cups of kombucha drinks a day and you will be refreshed and energized all day long. Number 4, cure heart diseases. Kombucha protects LDL cholesterol particles from oxidation, which is very helpful to cure heart disease. In fact, green tea drinkers have up to a 31% of lower risk of developing heart disease. And as kombucha is a part of green tea, it also helps you to get a better heart health. Number 3, helps to cure type 2 diabetes. There are over 300 millions of people worldwide who are suffering from type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that kombucha slows down your digestion of carbs, which helps to reduce your blood sugar levels and also improved your liver and kidney function. If you drink 2 glasses of kombucha tea, you will have 18% lower risk of diabetes. Number 2, it is a great probiotic. Kombucha is a type of tea that has been fermented. This makes it a good source of probiotics, which have many health benefits. Probiotics helps to protect you from cold and flu and also helps you to boost your immunity. Number 1, detox your body. This is the most amazing benefits of kombucha. It detox your body and eliminates all the harmful chemicals easily. Kombucha tea is rich in acetic acid, which have been shown to suppress the growth of undesirable bacteria in your body. So what are you waiting for? Start drinking kombucha tea for better health of you and your family. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To get more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.